Welcome to the video about Bytezenside, your smart Windows sidebar, brought to you by Bytezenside. Get ready for a premium desktop experience coming soon. Elevate your workflow with seamless multitasking. Bytezenside is a high-performance desktop sidebar that centralizes your most used tools, custom shortcuts, and performance insights. Let's review the core capabilities. The Quick Launcher allows lag-free browsing and opening of installed software. The Smart Clipboard automatically categorizes copied history for quick retrieval. File Bookmarks offer drag-and-drop convenience to instantly pin critical files and folders. Explore unmatched accessibility with features like instant program access, personalized shortcuts, and integrated screenshots. Bytezenside helps you organize and monitor with the Web Bookmark Manager to keep important websites categorized and synced from Chrome. The Real-Time Resource Monitor tracks system health dynamically. Gain valuable system insights with eco-friendly performance. Bytezenside identifies the top 5 background processes consuming resources and pauses tracking when the panel is hidden to preserve energy. Enjoy seamless layout settings with smart behavior options, including auto-hiding and panel width adjustments. Visual customization lets you fine-tune aesthetics with themes and blur effects. Configuration sync ensures you never lose your setup. Redefine your desktop. The ultimate smart sidebar for Windows is launching soon. Get ready to experience unparalleled productivity